it's Marianne from Thrive, and today I am showing you how to use the Request Files feature in SharePoint. It's one of those little things that can make your life so much easier when you need someone outside of your organization to send you a file in a secure way without you needing to use a third-party app or having all of these massive attachments clogging up your inbox. So we're accessing it via SharePoint, and I am working in the on a PC, and I am using Google Chrome as my web browser, but as long as you can access SharePoint, you'll be fine. Now, you need to open the document library that you want the file to be uploaded to. So you cannot do this in a directly into the site. It needs to be a folder within an existing library. So you need to choose the library and you need to choose the folder. You can see I've created a folder here called Files Received. Now, once we're here, once we've got the folder that we want it to go into, we click the three dots and we click the little Request Files. Now, here is where we're actually going to tell them what we want the file to look like, what type of file we want them to include. So here we might put, it might be project samples, it might be client content, whatever you're calling it. And remember to use language that matches the way you would discuss this with the person you're requesting it from. And so the recipients, you can see here, only see the file description. So you can be as, whatever it's going to be. And we go next. So what will happen is you can send it via email or you can copy the link. So I'm actually going to copy the link in this example simply because when I try and send it to myself, it doesn't work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into my inbox and just send a very quick email to my personal email, file upload request. So if you wanted to send this, you could create it as a custom email address, a custom hyperlink, whatever else you wanted to do. I am just going to send it like that. So we'll go done. And they'll notify me when a file is created. So I'm going to just jump into my inbox here. I'm waiting for this to arrive. There we go. So this is the email that comes at the other end. I've got the link. If I click the link, so this is what they're asking me for. You can see here, I can't see anything else in that folder. So now if I select files, it's going to take me to my own Finder window. So I'm just going to jump into my downloads and pop in something from my downloads folder. Open. So you can see it's here. I can add more files. This is my name. It's picking up my name because I'm logged in. So we'll go upload. It's going to upload the folder. And if I wanted to, now I can continue uploading. I can go back and use this link anytime I like, and it will take me directly to that specific site from here. So as an outsider, I haven't seen any of the internal setup. What's also happening is that here now, when I open up this files received, that's there. Okay, so I have seen it's linking and setting itself up straight away. And what will happen in time is that Microsoft or SharePoint will send me a message that will open up to that folder. So it'll tell me that files have been uploaded and that I can access content there. Actually, I think it might be doing it in Teams for me. There we go. It's doing it in Teams because that has a team attached to it. So I'm getting a message here that that file was uploaded, and from here it will take me straight to the content. So a file request is a great way for you to allow someone to upload content directly as a file transfer without using a third-party app, but also without them sending it to you in Teams or in WhatsApp or in your DMs or in your messages, in your emails, so that you're not dealing with having to physically put it into the right location and worry about your inbox or your system being overloaded with large files. It also means for a client or a collaborator or someone who you've requested a file from, it means that they don't need to break a large document down into pieces. So if you've got graphic files or large reports, PDFs that have a lot of graphic content, any of those large scale items that would typically get broken down into sections, things like board packs are a great example, then this is the way to get that uploaded into your own secure system and able to work with it as a clean copy. Keeps everything organized, secure, and it is way less painful than chasing emails left, right, and center. So if you like quick, practical Microsoft tips like this, then please join me inside Micro Magic Tips, my daily bite-sized email lesson, daily bite-sized Microsoft lessons landing in your inbox as a quick email every day. The link is down in the description. Thanks for watching.